Right, teachers, this is for the new teachers. We are busy with an experiment. This is chapter 4, where I am looking at questions that were set by AI. I asked the AI to ask me a whole bunch of questions that a new teacher would ask. I haven't seen these, and I'm answering them in real time. So here we go. Today is technology and tools. Here we go. Sip of coffee first. Okay, let's see how I do. Number 1, what if I don't know the LMS or classroom tech well? Don't use it. If you don't know the technology, don't try and impress the kids by setting up while they are there. You're going to lose them. It's going to be chaos. 2, how do I use the smartboard? Sparingly. I have found, and this is my opinion, that you can't use technology the whole lesson unless you have really mature learners who are looking at a video, or they are looking at a summary that they have to get down, or there's 10 things that they have to write down that everybody needs. But using a smartboard, you have to use it sparingly, and you have to make it as part of your lesson, where there's other activities as well, worksheets, kids working. A bad teacher puts the work on the smartboard or the projector on the screen and say, copy what's on the board. It doesn't work like that. 3, how do I make tech work before the lesson starts? You have to practice. You have to do trial runs, and you have to do it after hours when there's no kids. There's no other way. 4, what is the best way to track grades digitally? You can use Google Forms. There are lessons where you can do quizzes. There's lots of technology out there. It's getting better and better. Digital technology. I'm an old school teacher. I've been there for 30 years, so I'm still marking with a red pen on paper most of the time. But I think by the time that you are an experienced teacher, my age, then things will be very different. 5, should I use multiple tech platforms? Yes, you should. But again, integrate it as part of your lesson. Don't just have technology do your work for you. You have to have a real interaction. I think back to COVID, technology didn't work. Kids can't work. I'm sorry, this is my opinion. Online learning can work for some learners with parent support, homeschooling, etc. But in my opinion, this is my opinion, technology is not the be-all and end-all. You have to have a hands-on approach. You as the teacher have to take the child into that zone where they learn and where they do the work. 6, how do I avoid tech failures from derailing lessons? Very simple. You have to have a backup plan. If the technology fails, or there's a power failure, or you find that there's a problem with the technology, it freezes, your laptop doesn't want to start, the battery's flat, you have to have a pack of worksheets available, and you have to say, okay guys, listen, tomorrow is another day for this lesson. For today, let's get this done, and when we come back in tomorrow, I'll show you the video, or we'll look at the slides tomorrow. But for today, backup plan, and you have to have a few. Number 7, how do I help tech-challenged students catch up? That's going to be an extra class after school. There's no way that you can do this quickly, and there's no way that you can just send them a video. Most of our learners need guidance. They need to be held by the hand. When it comes to technology, it's an aid. Technology cannot teach. I'm sorry, I'm old school. Number 8, what apps are essential for managing class tasks? There's lots of apps out there. I'm not going to mention names now, but the apps are getting more and more, And they are really cool apps. I think you guys could probably teach me the answer to that one. 9. How much time should I spend learning forms and platforms? I would spend a good amount of time learning technology and forms and platforms. I would become confident with what you're going to use, at least in class. At the beginning, don't try and learn everything. It's like any career. You build your knowledge slowly, and you need to be patient with yourself. Right, and then the last one, how do I troubleshoot issues or technological issues while teaching? Again, you have to have a backup plan when there's trouble, and you have to now look up and troubleshoot and find out what went wrong. You're going to waste time. You can't troubleshoot while you are busy teaching. You have to say, boys and girls, I'm really sorry. There's a problem. I'll figure it out and I'll get back to you. Okay, I hope that helped. That was chapter 4, technology and tools.